Hello friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to Tassel Tuesday. If you haven't seen Tassel Tuesday before, it's a collab that was started by Jovi at Creating with Jovi, and it's where it's an open collab where you can come in, and if you have a YouTube channel, you can do a tassel and show it on your YouTube channel and use the hashtag Tassel Tuesday, and Jovi will find your channel, or you can let her know and she will link it under her video. And then I usually try to go and copy hers, or if I see one, I will also link it under my video. But this is my tassel for this week. I was playing around. I have it already done. I didn't really mean to finish it before I started the video, but kind of took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do this week. I used up the Happiness Is fibers that I have from G.S. Mueller. Stephanie and her Etsy shop, which I'll also have that linked below. So these are all my pretty fibers from that Happiness Is. You can see all the colors here. I also added some pearls and some pink lace and this is a little bit of a blue ruffly lace and some blue laces in there. So I wanted it nice and fluffy this week, so you can see it's kind of pretty fluffy, right? And I also was playing around with my goodies that I have picked up and ordered from NBeads, and they asked me to demonstrate their products. So I had picked out the products. Most of the products I picked out were specific to use with my tassels. So I used, let's see, I used the jump rings, which are, you get the little pack I got from NBeads is this little pack right here, and they have all, many different sizes here, from very tiny to, good size, good large size. So that's what I used up here to attach also the lobster claw clasp that I also got from NBeads, and I got 2 packs. I used the smaller one this week, and so they come like this. Here's my 2 little packs of lobster claw clasps. And I use these smaller ones, but you get quite a few. And so, I had the option of using either one of those. And the other thing I used this week was, I was just having fun with all the goodies here and experimenting and things. So here's one of the bigger lobster claw clasps that I used right up here to attach this little string of butterflies that I made. So see this little this little jump ring right here is the biggest one in that little pack I just showed you. So it worked really well to hang this little string of butterflies over the, the little topper I have here with just a little ribbon and the lobster claw clasp. And so I just tied that on with the bow, the lobster claw clasp, and the jump ring up there. And then this little string is made of butterflies, is made from here's some eye pins. I got all bronze metal pieces this time from NBeads, and so I got a package of these little loop eye pins, and they came in a little package like this. You see I got quite a few of those, and so I just strung some of those together. I just started out with one, and I was able to put 2 butterflies here. Let me show you my string here. It's really pretty, and the colors all match the fibers in the tassel. So I was able to get 2 butterflies and 1 little spacer bead, which I also got from NBeads, and those are in this little pack right here. And they look like this, kind of like almost like a double cone shape. See, it's kind of like a little bulb in the middle with 2 cones on either side. I know it's probably hard to see because it's tiny, but a really handy little spacer bead. So on each one of those eye pins that I showed you, for this little string of butterflies, I put 2 butterflies, and in the middle one of those spacer beads I just showed you. And I joined the eye pins together with the jump rings that I showed you. So I did three sections. There's 3 sections. So 2 on each of the 3 eye pins, and then 1 spacer bead in the middle, and the 3 of the, the eye pins are all joined together with jump rings. So I was able to make a nice long string of butterflies to hang on my tassel here. And it all, you got a little embellishment or charm or bead dangle, however you want to call that. And it all blends together with your colors. So those came in really handy. Here's the little butterflies right here, in case you forgot what they look like from my unboxing. I'll link my unboxing video down below in case you didn't see that. But I got these little beads, if that's what I use for the butterflies. And I just used the ones that match. See, I need to use these pink ones now because those are so pretty. But they're nice little butterfly beads, and they have the hole right through the top, and then goes through the bottom, so you can stand your butterfly up like that. That's how I did that. And so I'll be using the other products that I got, the little flowers and these little tassel toppers, in one of my next videos, maybe next week. And I also have a video of making some earrings that'll also be coming out soon. So, and then I got these other bead toppers. I wanted to remind you about that. And the little coffee cups. I did put these on Instagram, and people seem to really like these little coffee cups. And I got lots of other goodies from NBead. So I will be doing other videos to show you the other products. But I hope you enjoyed this week's tassel. If you have any questions about how I did anything, it's pretty simple. But if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to answer your questions. And if you want to check out the other participants, everybody makes such different tassels that you'll get lots of different ideas on so many different styles and things to use in your tassels. So I want to thank you for watching today, and thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting, and I'll see you in my next video. So thanks for watching, and happy crafting, and have a great day.